Hi everybody, my name is Sherry and I work at Handmade U. Today I'm going to show you how to make tattoo ornaments. In your kit you received 2 wooden ornaments and you received 6 tattoos. So if you have any tattoos left at the end of the project, you can ask your parent or guardian if you're allowed to put it on. So to get started, you're going to take your tattoos and you're going to pick out the one that you want to put on the ornament. And you're going to just rip. It has perforated edges, so you're just going to rip the tattoo off that you want to use. Alrighty? Next, there's a clear film on top of the tattoo. You're going to very carefully pull that off. See what I'm doing? Very carefully pull that film off. Okay? Woo! This likes to get stuck, so put that to the side. And you have your tattoo. Next, you're going to turn it over. And I'm just going to do one of these to show you. But you're going to turn it over. And you're going to put your tattoo face down on the ornament, wherever you want to put it. Next, you're going to take a wet paper towel or a sponge. You don't want this to be super wet and dripping with water, so make sure that you wring it out. And if you need help, ask an adult. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it over top of our tattoo, just like that. And now I'm going to press down and count to 15, okay? We're going to count 15 for 15 seconds, all right? After your 15 seconds are up, then you're going to remove your paper towel, and then you're going to carefully remove, let me see if I can get that closer for you. You're going to carefully remove the tattoo paper. And when you remove the tattoo paper, it's going to leave the image on the ornament. Okay? So there you go. At this point, if you want to, you'll let it dry. If you have any other art and craft supplies, you can decorate this a little bit more. You could even write your name on it. Once you're finished decorating it, you'll add a ribbon to it, and then it'll be ready to hang on your tree. If you're not hanging on your tree, then you can wrap it up and give it as a gift to someone that you love. Thank you so much for watching our how-to tattoo ornament video. I can't wait to see how you decorate yours. Have a great day and stay crafty.